How to fix PNG files not opening in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Right-click on any PNG file on your computer. Select Properties. Under the General tab, find the Opens with section. Click on the Change button. A list of applications will appear. Choose Photos from the list. Click OK to save your changes. If that didn't work, if the Photos app itself has issues, repairing or resetting it can bring it back to its original state, resolving any glitches. If that didn't work, corrupted system files are among the most common reasons for numerous issues, including PNG files not opening in Windows. To fix these files, you can run commands in elevated command prompt as follows. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, right-click on the PNG file. Select Properties. Click on the Advanced button under the General tab. Uncheck the box next to Encrypt contents to secure data. Click OK. Type PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.